Hello again. Today is Wednesday, December 28th, 2022. I am back home and I am lying down on my bed with my tummy and about to go hit the sack soon. But before I go turn in, I would like to read an article from Verizon. Verizon is, I think, number two carrier in America after AT&T or both. Verizon Wireless should be number one wireless carrier, while a wired number one carrier sounds like AT&T. So I'm not sure which one is the number one, and that's not important. What is important is that, like AT&T, Verizon has its own internet backup with a wireless router routing the traffic of the POS, card checker, kiosk, and other internet traffic from the customer's premises to over wireless LTE or 5G. They would provide a backup, route backup for the customer's data needs. That's the case with KT. We have our own internet backup for POS and card transaction systems. So let's find out what Verizon up to with its own internet backup plan. So the reason I'm trying to read this article to practice English. Backup internet and failover solutions complement or enhance your internet connection and your organization with reliable 4G LTE wireless backup. Choose solutions to help you stay connected. Network outages can mean lost sales, dissatisfied customers, or worse issues in industries like public safety. Backup internet and failover solutions use our reliable 4G LTE wireless network to help keep your critical applications online or to support temporary or remote locations. Backup internet and failover solutions are best for healthcare, manufacturing, or any industry needing reliable connectivity for critical applications. Organizations that need quick connectivity for new stores, branches, or work sites. First responders, those in remote areas, and others seeking to stay connected in adverse conditions. Organizations that need quick connectivity for new stores, branches, or work sites. What is it? Backup internet or internet backup. Backup internet and failover solutions are built on our leading 4G LTE wireless network, covering more than 2.6 million square miles in the US. Whenever an outage is detected, your wireline network will automatically fail over to your wireless backup to power your critical communications. Fail over, your wireline network will automatically fail over to your wireless backup to power your critical communications. This is good sentence. Whenever an outage is detected, your wireline network will automatically fail over to your wireless backup to power your critical communications. How does it help you? Whether due to weather, nearby construction, or other reasons, outages happen. By using 4G LTE as backup, you can help keep your organization connected. It can also allow you to set up remote or temporary sites quickly. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. That's good. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. The business impact. Helping limit the business impact. Helping limit the business impact. Failover is seamless, powers the business critical communication. The benefits of backup: reliability, helps you stay connected when wired connections are unavailable. Cost control, keep disruptions from causing lengthy downtime that can impact sales and revenues. Continuity, drive critical communications reliability even during a wireline outage. Flexibility, deliver primary access to triage sites, branches, retail stores, and banks. Triage sites. Triage 3. Okay, when you are injured, the field hospital will administer triage. If you are not critically injured, you will be sent to a just recovery unit. If you are critically injured, you will go to a surgery. If you are dead, you will be buried. If you are okay, you will just have a band-aid and you would be forced to continue to fight in the front line. Triage. Resources and information. The connected retail experience. See how we helped Target connect nearly 2,000 stores seamlessly and securely to improve employee and customer experiences. Delivering world-class backup connectivity. See how we use our backup solutions for business continuity to help keep our own retail stores up and running. Go above and beyond. Business continuity helps you stay connected when the unexpected occurs. Plus, with Verizon connectivity, you can reach new customers in remote locations, open pop-up shops, and operate on the go. Why Verizon? 25 plus years managing some of the most complex networks in the world. Number one in wireless network quality performance in the US. 24/7 technical support. You get the help you need. Number one, Verizon was ranked number one, placed number one, was ranked number one nationwide by root metrics in overall network performance 14 times in a row. 14 times in a row was ranked, placed number one. 14 times in a row. Wireless private network, IoT security credentialing, voice cipher, it doesn't give me a diagram where the wireless router kicks in. It's just a wireline fails over to the wireless network to help to boost the business communications needs. And also we learn such expressions as power the business communications in a row, 14 times in a row, ranked number one, and when outage is detected, wireline fails over to the wireless to power the business critical communications. Fail over. What else I learned? I forgot one sentence that I remembered. Work sites. In adverse conditions, in adverse conditions. Power your critical communications. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. Failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. Reliability, cost control, continuity, flexibility. Okay, let's read this short article. Target's networking situation didn't support its vision of a more connected retail experience. Multiple service providers with separate and dated networks. Network speeds limited team members' productivity, needed to seamlessly integrate digital and store channels. Solution: Target handed day-to-day network operations over to Verizon and focused on improving its employees' and guests' experiences. Installed new fiber optic cables to nearly all Target stores, plus an LTE backup within a 40-month period. Provided secure, simple, and scalable connectivity. Seamlessly connected guests, team members, and networks. Outcome: with a single service provider for all its networking, Target could connect locations and use mobility to boost employee productivity, improved customer checkout speed and reliability, tripled Wi-Fi bandwidth in stores, providing guests with faster downloads and better response time via guest Wi-Fi, empowered team members to spend more time with guests by improving mobile smart device performance, delivered enhanced network in nearly half the time scheduled, meeting the 2017 holiday shopping season, increased the network expertise with our staff, which manages 4,000 plus customer networks. Target: how we built the solution: next-gen network, private IP, managed network services, security. Okay, let's go back and see delivering world-class backup connectivity. What is this? What the? Okay, download. I'll use this one. I'll open the PDF file from Verizon. Let's see what the article is all about. Why Verizon? Cisco CSR 1000 represents the last generation of LTE technology, delivering a world-class backup connectivity solution for Verizon retail stores. That looks a good article. I'll skip that, but I'll watch the video with you. Not available. Okay, let's see if we can have Verizon backup internet, not internet backup. Almost same thing. Basically, virtually, practically same thing. The one backup service for 2020, unlimited online backup. What?
How can I help you?
I'm looking for a laptop with internet like...
In today's video, we're going to talk about how this device can save your business from IT downtime. But before we start, don't forget to like this video. And if you've got any comments, please use the comment box below. Now, this piece of kit might look like something from Star Wars, but it could save your business from IT downtime and losing lots of money. It's fair to say that internet connectivity these days is a little bit like oxygen. We all seem to need it all of the time. I know in my home, if we don't have Wi-Fi, it's a big issue. But of course, when it comes to our businesses, the stakes are much higher. Not having an internet connection for a prolonged period of time could be catastrophic. Most of our applications are now cloud-based, so if we don't have an internet connection, it will mean no email, no phone system, no access to our critical business applications. And as we all know, downtime in business means lost cash. So what is the answer? Well, the answer of course is to have more than one internet connection. If there's a problem with the main line, you can use the backup internet line until the main one is fixed. And this device here is a fantastic, cost-effective option for a backup internet line. You install your main internet connection through this device. Nothing really changes there. But here's the secret sauce. This device has built-in 4G. That's the same technology that your mobile phone uses to browse the internet. So if your main internet connection fails for whatever reason, this device will start using its 4G connection and your business can carry on working. Internet connectivity is a key area that you should be looking at to make sure that your business has a robust IT setup. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, why not subscribe to my channel? We publish every Tuesday and every Friday.
Ever found yourself in a situation where your internet's gone down or you're waiting for a switching of an ISP and you have no...
Okay, so the video was not available. Well, I don't know why. Why Verizon? So that's it. But let's see if we have the diagram of the network for backup internet, Verizon backup internet. The failover is seamless, helping limit the business impact. Images. Power reserve, Verizon LTE and internet and home. Battery backup, 5G. Prevent Verizon Fios internet. Maybe this one. Verizon LTE internet and home phone backup restore. LTE internet home 5G. Maybe this one. Power average internet visit. Maybe I think that's just battery. Stop the beep. Internet Cisco 1000. Cisco 1000 series, LTE modem, and Cisco pinout, black box. Mm-hmm. 4G backup internet, business IT support, and managed service. Let's visit this website to see if 4G backup internet, business IT support, and managed service provider. Yep, tech support specs. Okay, so possibly this one is the another backup internet. Let's find out what it is all about. Business IT support and managed service provider. Microsoft partner for software. Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft 365, Azure, and Microsoft Surface hardware, 4G backup internet, Data DNA, Logic Cloud IT. Keep your business connected with Logic Cloud IT data networking, app appliance. You can stay connected and eliminate downtime caused by internet outages with a fully integrated 4G LTE internet failover and more. This appliance isn't just some small office device either. It was built to tackle networks large and small, with throughput speeds of up to 1.7 gigabps. The DNA has more data networking appliance. DNA has more throughput I think a throughput than any of the Sonic World TZ series devices or even the Cisco ASA 5545 or Meraki MX400. The Logic Cloud IT data networking appliance includes everything needed to set up a network, with a built-in edge router and Wi-Fi bundled with a fully integrated 4G LTE failover and failback from Verizon Wireless, AT&T, Rogers, and Vodafone. With unlimited data, businesses can enjoy always connected networking without the worry of data overages or charges when their primary ISP goes down. What is overages? Pricing with 3-year contract. Hardware appliance $360. Monthly managed device fee $150. 1-year and 2-year contracts are also available. Monthly managed device fee $150. Hardware appliance $360. Tech specs: firewall throughput 1.723 gigabps, IMX throughput 825 Mbps, DPI throughput 744 Mbps, IPS throughput 733 Mbps. Network edge router built for performance and with room to grow. The appliance continues to provide more advanced routing features in an ever-growing platform that delivers what you need. With room to grow. Firewall, incorporating advanced security features such as stateful packet inspection, layer 7 TPI, port forwarding, DMZ host, and VLAN segregation. The appliance delivers peace of mind for you while protecting your client's networks. Intrusion detection and prevention. Delivering layer 2 protocol analysis, the appliance actively identifies the packets that shouldn't be there and proactively prevents them from affecting the network. The end result is a secure connectivity that you can count on. Connectivity. All of the connectivity you need with 6, 10, 100, 1000 IO ports, 2 WAN and 4 LAN, 3x3 MIMO 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and fully integrated multiband Cat4 radio for 4G LTE failover and failover and failback. As many networking appliances are physically located in back room, in a closet, or simply out of the way, there are scenarios where the location of the appliance can cause interference and negatively affect the appliance's ability to connect to the LTE network. To remedy this situation, the appliance also has an optional external antenna This additional antenna support creates more flexibility and options for you to deploy the Logic Cloud IT data networking appliance and improves connectivity even in low signal environments. Client side-to-side VPN. Whether it's a client VPN, IPsec, 이거 닫아라. 문. 여기 문. EKV2 and OpenVPN or side-to-side VPN, DNA to DNA, DNA to non-DNA, hub and spoke. Logic Cloud IT data networking is committed delivering robust VPN support, layer 7 deep packet inspection. This deep level of analysis enables the appliance to categorize traffic by application and lays the groundwork for enhanced layer 7 features and capabilities. Lays the groundwork for fail over, fail back. Traffic shaping. Traffic shaping enables you to determine what applications require precedence to ensure those applications have enough bandwidth to function in an interrupted mode. Traffic shaping, deep inspection, 7 layer. This lays the groundwork for ready to be always connected. Contact us today to get started. Contact us. 4G LTE is provided by AT&T or Verizon. Client chooses which carrier at time of hardware purchase. 4G LTE service is subject to the carrier's terms and conditions. IP provided by the carrier is dynamic and therefore created a double NAT when traffic is flowing over the cellular connection. While standard internet traffic will work without issues, some devices and service providers such as VoIP and VPN are not able to support double NAT. If a static IP is needed or if one of your systems or services will not support a double NAT, the Logic Cloud IT data networking appliance will not work for you. However, we have alternative services available to provide you with a 4G LTE backup internet. What? So, 4G LTE service is subject to the carrier's terms and conditions. IP provided by the carrier is dynamic and therefore created a double NAT when traffic is flowing over the cellular connection. A double NAT. While standard internet traffic will work without issues, some services and service providers such as VoIP and VPN are not able to support double NAT. If a static IP is needed, or if one of your systems or services will not support a double NAT, the Logic Cloud IT data networking appliance will not work for you. However, we have alternative services available to provide you with a 4G LTE backup internet. Double NAT. We see IP for IP address. I don't know, I thought there was a Konglish or Korean English, but now is unanimously acknowledged expression globally for IP address. You just say IP, dynamic IP, static IP, just IP address. IP address is the standard name nomenclature, but many people seem to use just IP, dynamic IP, and static IP. Will not work for you. Double NAT. Why double NAT? If the traffic is flowing over the cellular connection? because it's a dynamic IP. Dynamic. I don't know. Just one NAT is required. I don't know why. If there is a router beneath the 4G LT router, then it's a double routers, so there could be double IP address. I don't know, NAT. Network address translation, traffic shaping, layer 7 deep packet inspection, client side-to-side VPN, external antenna accessory, connectivity, failover, failback. Lays the groundwork for DMZ hosting, DPI, port forwarding, DMZ host, VLAN segregation, firewall. So this one, Dato DNA. So it uses both AT&T and Verizon. So it has just one SIM card, but it can be a Verizon or a AT&T SIM card. And it has integrated routing and Wi-Fi bundled with a 4G LTE network. So I think these two antennas are for in and out signals for 4G LTE, and these three small antennas are for Wi-Fi, maybe MIMO. Okay. Well, thanks for listening. I have to say goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.